I was not going to make this video, but after attending a medical conference last week, I just can't keep this to myself. Doctors are buzzing about the gelatin trick and its potential to transform our daily wellness routines. It seems researchers are taking a closer look at how this simple ritual can impact our overall health, and the findings are really intriguing. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily life, you're essentially giving your body a gentle nudge towards better digestion and a more balanced gut, which in turn can lead to waking up feeling refreshed and without that heavy, bloated sensation. My friend, who's a nutritionist, swears by the gelatin trick, saying it's been a game changer for her clients who struggle with sluggish metabolism. She explains that the gelatin trick works by adding a boost of protein to your daily routine, which can help keep you fuller for longer, making it easier to make healthier choices. As I dug deeper into the benefits of the gelatin trick, I realized it's not just about weight loss, but about cultivating a deeper understanding of our bodies and what they need to thrive. If you're curious to learn more about how to incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily life, check out the link in my description for a detailed walkthrough. For a quick start, jump into the conversation in the pinned comment below, where I've shared a simple tip to get you began with the gelatin trick today.